Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. And now we can go back. Let's enter the system and enter developer options. Here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn this option on. And from now on, since this option of course is active, your device is allowed to play the updates whenever it will be restarted. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.